Animated kids songs like this are getting millions of views on YouTube, so it is a great idea for a faceless YouTube channel. What if I told you you can make songs like this under 20 minutes? So stick around with me and I will show you step by step on how you can create video like this that you are watching here.
Color of fun. Let's clap our hands one by one. Clap, clap. Rainbow colors one by one. Let's dance together. It's so much fun. Magic in the sky. Let's all take a chance and do the rainbow colors dance.
You don't have to be a songwriter or music composer or animator creator. We are going to let AI handle everything for us. So before we get into the full training, if you are here to subscribe to my channel and you are here, please can you just take a few seconds to go and subscribe to my channel, like this video and give this video a thumbs up. Then if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. Thank you. Okay, the first thing we are going to do is to come down to our ChatGPT and type in our prompt. So the first prompt says, I'm going to read it loud. You are a kid cartoon animator expert. Generate 10 songs idea that kid between the age of 2 to 6 will love and play on phone. ChatGPT is going to generate different songs idea. So after it finish generating, then we are going to set another prompt. So I'm going to wait for ChatGPT to generate all our prompts. Then also I will leave the prompts in the description box. Then if you need it, I can also send it to you. So you can just comment and I'm going to send it to you. All right, so I think ChatGPT is done giving us 10. All right, so the second prompt now says generate a song prompt for each of the ideas that will produce the best results, and the song should be at least up to 1 minute long. Remember, I want songs that is memorable and can be played repeatedly. So that is it. Okay, so from the songs ChatGPT generates, we can see that it has generated different songs ideas. So I'm picking number 2, which is Rainbow Color Dance. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate a song prompt for number 2. So I'm going to read the prompt out. Okay, so this prompt says generate a song prompt for number 2, which is Rainbow Color Dance, that will produce the best results, and the song should be at least up to 1 minute long. Remember, I want songs that is memorable and can be played on phone repeatedly. So that is this prompt. Okay, so ChatGPT has generated the prompts. You can see prompt for Rainbow Color Dance song. So I'm going to copy the prompt, then open a new tab, go to ChatGPT in a new Chrome browser, then paste the prompt there. So this is the prompt and we are going to use to generate the lyrics for that song. Do you understand? So I'm just going to copy this prompt, open a new tab, then paste it there. Then it's going to generate our lyrics for us. So that is what I'm doing here. All right, so you can see here. So ChatGPT is generating our lyrics. So this, you can see this is verse 1. This is the chorus. Then verse 2. And we also have the chorus. All right, so we have our lyrics now. So then we can copy these lyrics and keep it in either in our docs or in our Microsoft Word. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go to suno.com. So that is where we are going to be generating our music for this. So we are going to convert these lyrics into songs. So let's go to suno.com. So I'm going to head on to suno.com. All right, so once I get here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in with my Google account. So if you don't have Google account, you can just sign in with your phone number or your email. So once we click on Google, it's going to ask you to click on sign in. So once Right, so once I click on Google, then I'm going to click on verify human. Then once I'm done with that, all right, I'm going to click on the Google account I want to use. Then I'm going to click on continue. All right, so once I'm here, all right, so it has logged me into my account. So the next thing is for me to copy the first verse. So we do it stage by stage. So the first one, copy the verse 1 and the chorus. Once you copy it, then come to suno.com. All right, so once you have done that, then you come to suno.io. We have been logged in. Then you are going to click create. So once you click create, you click on custom. Then um we are going to paste our lyrics here. Once you click on the custom, then paste in your lyrics here. Then click on accept our terms and condition. So once you accept the terms, then you click on click on accept. So once you do that, then you click on create. So Suno is going to generate our song. It's going to generate our song for us. So let's just click on create. So I'm putting the first one and the chorus first. So then, okay, before we click on create, we are going to select the style of the song, either jazz, either disco. Just play around with it and check the one you are going to like. So I'm choosing jazz. So let's play let's create what we create. Okay guys, you can see that immediately you click on create, it's going to generate that music for the lyrics. Do you understand? So you can see how amazing and lovely and unique that music is. So it is just new. So we are not using anybody's song, so we are just creating the song newly. So once you are done with that, once you are done with creating the song, then you come to this three, you see the three dots. Once you click on that three dots, then you are going to see download. Then you are going to click on what? Download. Then we also copy our verse 2 here. So we are copying verse 2 here. Once you copy it, select you can just play around with the style of the music. So if it is hip hop you want, then just select it and click on create. It's going to generate the song for the lyrics. So you do it step by step. You do for verse 1, verse 2, verse 3. Then you download it directly to your phone. Do you understand? So once you download it, okay guys, so if you are still here and you're watching my video and you are here to subscribe to my channel, please can you just take a few seconds to go and subscribe to my channel, please, and please like this video. Okay, the next thing we are going to do is to come down to another website, which is luoai.video. So you can see I'm going to leave the link in the description box. So once you log into this website, then you just sign in with your email. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account. So once you sign in, so this is the website we are going to use to convert our so I'm going to paste a prompt here so that they can generate the visual, the image or the video we want to use. So this is the prompt. So if you don't know the prompt, I'm still going to leave the prompt in the description box. So once you click on the prompt, then it's going to generate you can see, so it's going to generate our video for, you can see how lovely this video animation is, very lovely. So the first one is red. So while the second, create a lively and magical cartoon scene featuring a group of diverse children aged to 2 and 6 dancing joyfully to the colors of the rainbow in the fore background. So this is the prompt. So this is the prompt. I'm also going to leave the prompt in the description box. So once you paste the prompt, it is going to generate the video you want. It can be animal, it can be anything. Do you understand? Depending on the kind of content you are working on, the kind of video you are working on. So like the first one it was red, so I want to change the second one to green. How to it, it is rainbow color. The first person is for the what, red, while the second one is the green. So I'm going to do that, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to click on create. So it's going to generate our video for it. So this the video will be combining. So let's just click on create. All right, so once we click on create, you can see this is the green, you can see this is the second image. So that is how you do it for every of your lyrics. So you are going to create the video one after the other. So we have done with that. Okay, so the next step is that we want to compile the music that we generated and the visual, like the video we generated, the images we want to use. So we want to bring it together. So you can use either CapCut for your video editing, or you can also use KineMaster. So I'm using KineMaster here. So I'm going to click on create and project, then I'm going to name my project. The next thing is to, all right, so I'm going to click on create. Then it will take me directly to my phone gallery. So I'm going to bring in the image, the video motion we just downloaded now. So I'm going to bring in it from the gallery. So I'm going to select, the first lyrics. If you read the first lyrics, it is red, red, red. I think red and pink, like that. So I'm going to bring the first. You can see how lovely this video is. You can see how lovely it is. So let's go to, I want to import my voiceover, our lyrics, our music. So I will go to the audio. So from audio, I'll come to album. Let me go to album, and let me go to download. Then we have red. Okay, so this is the first one. I think we downloaded 2 verse. So this is the first verse. So I'm going to bring in it. Okay, so I'm going to click the plus button. So I've already bring in that one. So let's just play it first. So we have to play the voiceover to be able to match with the song. Do you understand? So let's just start it.
Red is the color of fun. Let's clap our hands one by one. Clap, clap. Orange is also.
So we are still still on the first lyric. So we can extend, we can drag the video. So, this for the second. This green is for the second lyrics. So I'm still going to drag the first one because the first lyrics has not finished playing. So we can, okay, or since this is video, we cannot drag it. So I'm going to bring in, so we still have, then I still have other ones that I downloaded from Facebook Meta High. So we can also use this. Use this. Okay, then we can now go with the green. So for the green, we can now so just listen to the voiceover and let it match with the voiceover. So okay, so let's just listen to the hits. It's very easy, very, very easy. So
Red is the color of fun. Let's clap our hands one by one. Clap, clap. Orange is also bright. Let's spin around with all our might.
so here, the one we downloaded from me. Let's play. Let's see how it's going to look like.
With all our might. Whoosh, whoosh. Combo colors one by one. Let's dance together. It's so much fun. Magic in the sky. Let's all take a chance and do the rainbow colors dance.
So guys, this is how to compile your video and your music together. And after you are done this, all you need to do is just to click on export, and it's going to be exported as video to your phone. So guys, if you find this video very helpful, and please kindly subscribe to my channel, and please kindly like this video, and also make sure you on your notification bell so that anytime release video tutorial, you'll be notified. So this is where I said you are going to click on upload, then you are going to click on save as video, then it will be downloaded directly to your phone gallery. So all right, see you in the next video.